Meaning of horny.
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 Horny. The word horny is often used to describe a strong sexual desire or arousal. It usually refers to a physiological response in the body to sexual stimuli. When someone is feeling horny, they may experience physical sensations such as increased heart rate, breathing, and blood flow to the genital area. This can manifest itself as feelings of lust or an intense desire for sexual release. While it's a common experience, it's important to approach it with respect for oneself and others and to make sure that any sexual encounters are consensual and healthy.